So come and join us on this farmhouse. Alright, I'm with George, he's still with us. Alright, so look, stuff that he's actually left behind. Look at that, there's a bottle of John Smith's foam bath up there. Some cosmetics. Alright, this is one of the ones that are not as overgrown, all been ruined. But once we go into the main house, you'll see that there is there's old pots and pans. Oh, for God's sake. Right. I don't know why we've gone blurry. There's the old electric box up there. And there's a bed there. Wait till that car passes before going over. Just in case. Because that was a tractor, wasn't it? So, we'll do the main house and then we'll have a note at the back. Oh look. Can you see the local residents there in the next field?
Oh yeah.
Let's see if I can get a better. Right, as I said, I'm using me Duber Firkin, so I do have to. Got a lot to learn with it. I mean, look at this for a lovely old farmhouse. I mean, you don't have much of a view anymore. There's some papers and documents here. It looks like a water tank was in there at one time. I mean, look at the flooring as well. Big old flagstones. Are they flagstones or tiles? Tiles. I mean, look, this place is so small, it's even got a sliding door. It doesn't look like the electric's running anymore though, but I wouldn't want a chance putting that on, would you? It's no longer going round in circles. So look, there you go. Can you see the local resident out there having a chew? Not much to see in here. There's a wheelie bin. And some old ladders. Hey?
They've moved out.
Oh, I think the residents have moved out of here. I mean, look, the fireplace been pulled off the wall. That's the original front door, but as you can see, you won't be a... Hey?
The old dunny outside.
Is there? And look at this. This would be a nice little snug during the winter. Couple of armchairs there either side of that. Nice fire going.
Oh, yeah.
Couple of glasses of whiskey. Right, so hey?
The new staircase. There's a new staircase down there.
Looks like the place might have been used for storage at one time.
Yeah, it must have been.
I'll let you go and have a nose in there. Be careful, floorboards are missing.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, as I said though, originally, about 2 years ago, that everything was still in here. Hello, George. You're my next door neighbour now, are you? And sadly everything's been stripped out. Oh, I found the banister. Oh, in actual fact, what we can do.
I've got an attic. You got a ladder?
Hey?
You got a ladder? Look on the attic. Quite a high attic. Wow.
Oh, what we can do here is that we can work out what I'm going to do is that I could do this.
Oh yeah, good idea. Very good.
Can't see much up there, but what I'm going to have to do is start doing.
A light on the stick.
What I'm going to have to start doing is doing some practice with this. I mean, it's a lovely old little house. Such a shame, isn't it?
It is a shame.
But yeah, I don't know if this is all.
You can stand on a stool if you want.
Eh? See, look, it's all gone funny on me now. Apparently, if I hold this, it'll actually lock it, and then.
There's chairs to stand on there.
Hey?
If you want to look in there.
Oh no, I'm not going to stand on a chair, especially with the banister missing.
I know. I'm not a standing up for anyway.
There is another one, but we need to be really quiet because of last time we were here, there was a farmer stood out there, and I had to wait for him to leave. It looks like as if it's been cleared from last time. Got the local residents having a watch. Oh. There's the old dunny.
Yep,
Completely clogged up with like clothes and boots and shoes. Oh look, Louis Armstrong. You can come out and do your laundry. Another room here. It looks like it's just been filled with fabric. There's a Jim Reeves album here. Old TVs. I mean, it's just, as I said, everything from inside has come outside. Yeah. Yeah, when we first come here, this was so overgrown we couldn't actually get in here. So we found a couple of new buildings now, which we documented on photograph, which we decided to come and document it on video now. There's nothing down there. Oh, you got your bath and a fridge. Oh, I've got to stand still for a minute. A really old hairdryer. What's this? Is this an old? Don't know what that is. Do you know? These look like old freezers. But they've got oh. Man, I've got a lot of work to do with this gimbal. Just stand still for a minute, let the car pass. I'm here. Car coming, stand still. Right, so, and then this is what looks to be a stable block here. old style ringer. Toolbox. I think that's an old for fuel heating. All the coats are still here. So yeah, this was all overgrown when we first came here, so it's actually been opened up. Tractor. Right, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to take some photographs again, and then we'll get back to you with hopefully the third little location. So catch us in a minute. Right, so as we're going to do an adventure explore all day, we done a modern-ish, well no, I wouldn't say it was modern actually. I would say it's a good couple of 100-year-olds the first place. Second one, old farmhouse, finally, but it looks like it's actually been cleared out, so maybe that's why the insides were stripped to the outside, and something might be happening to it in the near future. Let the car pass. So what I thought is that we've done basically a cottage, a farmhouse. So what we might do now is probably industrial and go to an old pumping house that would pump water to a munitions factory. So again, join us in, not join us in the ditch, but join us on the next clip while we try and get into a pumping station. See you in a minute. Right, so we've got to this World War II pumping station. Problem is that Mother Nature has decided to overrun the place, and the original entrance is now carpeted with 8-foot brambles. So this looks like it's going to be the end of our adventure, because we have just had a message from Keith, our towpath dippers teammate, that he's got his magnet stuck, which what I was going to do after here is that we're going to go do some family dipping. So it looks like that, because I can't get in there because I'm dealing with these buggers, we're going to have to call our excursion over and done with. So George, you had a good time?
Yeah.
That farmhouse was good, wasn't it? After finding those new stuff. So if you do like it, we'll try and get some more episodes out to you. Remember, Towpath Dippers is every Tuesday, and ASC Adventures every Thursday, 7 PM UK time. So catch us on the next adventure, and have a great time.